SOLIDWORKS PDM 2024 brings a dynamic way of visualizing part properties. Now, assembly visualization fully supports both standard and custom properties. You can group and color parts based on these properties, using the rollback bar to focus on specific states. Plus, you can save these color schemes for ongoing insights during your design work. With the feature search in PDM 2024, implementing design changes is simplified, leading to a completed design marked as Revision B. Furthermore, PDM's focus on tracking design history is bolstered, now recording when designs are checked out, improving traceability. SOLIDWORKS PDM helps track how designs evolve. Before, making changes to pending assemblies needed extra steps. But with PDM 2024, making those changes is easier. You can now check out designs smoothly during transitions, making the whole process simpler. The redesigned version tab in PDM 2024 offers clearer access to old revisions, displaying both the latest version status and details of the current local version. Additionally, hidden columns and bombs are now shown as deleted in the comparison view, simplifying data management. Moreover, editing multiple cells simultaneously has been improved for greater efficiency. SOLIDWORKS PDM 2024 implements enhanced security measures to restrict access to reference data on both contains and where used tabs, supporting table and treehouse views. Furthermore, Web 2 now includes grid view support, facilitating easier visual identification within folders and search results. SOLIDWORKS PDM 2024 simplifies understanding of multi-body part compositions with new icon indicators. Additionally, quick transitions between file tabs and accessing older versions are made easier through the right-click menu in Web 2. You can now transition to any file tab quickly using the right mouse button menu, saving time. Also, in Web 2, you can select the specific old version you want to download, making it easier to access previous iterations. SOLIDWORKS PDM 2024 introduces assembly visualization support, enhancing user management with comprehensive data lists and permission controls. Additionally, workflow organization is streamlined through the ability to archive unused states, conveniently accessible via the toolbar. Lastly, organizing your work is now simpler in SOLIDWORKS PDM 2024. You can store away unused stages easily and turn the sidebar on or off with just a click. If you need to bring back a stored stage, simply drag and drop it back into place. Stay tuned for our next video on what's new in sheet metal for SOLIDWORKS 2024 with Champion Experience.